Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Daddy Easy here. I'm not going to go into an intro. Just want to get this thing out of the way because I'm getting ready to make a video regarding towards the reason why I brought this package. So, without further ado, let's get this right here. You guys already know. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. So, I am going to show you the reason why I brought this item right here. If I can get into it. Okay. Right there. Let's open this up really quick. Okay. And here we go. Right here. Which has plastic. Okay. Let's move it out this sleeve. There we go. So, what is this? I'm going to show you exactly what this is. It's this right here. Now, I want to show you guys something because I'm tired of people complaining about computers, and I'm getting ready to make a video regarding towards this. Here is my MacBook Pro 2019. As you can see, 2 USB Thunderbolts right there, right? Each side. This is particularly for that, so you can do this without buying one of these. So give me a second. This is so you don't have to buy one of these. So you don't have to buy a dongle and have it hanging out. Okay? I'm not going to go into it, but yeah, that's for that. All right? Let me show you the other thing. So that's that right here. I also used this one on this MacBook Pro. As you can see right here, dongle right there. I mean, USB ports here and here, right? Okay, we established that. Okay, let's move this out the way. Let's get the other computer, which is my new MacBook Pro. I'm sorry, MacBook Air M2. All right. This right here is specifically because we all know the Airs only have those two with a MagSafe, right? By me buying this, allows me to do this as so, seal it up, and be able to use MagSafe. It gives me 2 USB Thunderbolts. This one is the high. This is the second Thunderbolt. Headphone jack. HDMI port. 2 USB 3.0s. And another one right there. So, yeah. Video coming up in a few minutes to talk about this. Alright? I'm going to catch you guys later. That's it. And I'm out. Deuces. One.